So I'm here to make shaved ice with my new Ninja blender that I actually purchased from Amazon.com. The package came with every part that it was advertised. Delivery was quick. It was delivered 2 days after I purchased it, so that was very quick to me. So let's get to it. The key to making shaved ice is to make sure the ice is directly out the freezer. It has to be really cold, or not it will not have that snow texture to it. It will have the snow cone texture, but not the actual snow texture. So I'm not making it in the 6-cup pitcher. I want to make it in the 2-cup pitcher because I already made a bag already today, so I don't need to make that much. So let's get the ice out the freezer. Alright, comes with the blade, and we're just going to get the ice in here. I don't like to fill it up too much because the top can get on and it'll be a tight fit. I just want to show you how it's done. You're going to get the top. The top has to be on all the way or the motor will not come on. Once you put it up there. There you go. Like I said, make sure the ice is directly out the freezer and really cold to get the snow. You want to actually blend it until we no longer get the ice chips to the ice. This should be it. And me, I actually have me a Ziploc bag, but I actually put the ice in to put it back in the freezer for later. Safety first, take out the blade. Look at it. Look at this ice. Ninja. A little bit more liquid.